Hello, dear students. Today we will begin with the new topic, which is rectification of error, which you have studied in your 11th, but it is quite different one. And lastly, you have to pass the rectification entry. Let's see the example. First example: Milin, Hemant, and Rasik are three partners. The profit of the firm is 1,89,000. They distribute profit equally. So this 1,89,000 they have distributed equally instead of 1 raised to 2 raised to 4. So they have to distribute actually in the ratio of 1 raised to 2 raised to 4, but they have wrongly distribute this profit, this 1,89,000 in equal ratio, that is 1 raised to 1 raised to 1. So rectify this entry and give the effect in capital account. Let's see. So we have three partners: Milin, Hemant, and Rasik are the three partners. Now, if we see the correct distribution, first we'll write the correct distribution. So the correct distribution is of this 1,89,000 in the ratio of 1 raised to 2 raised to 4, which is correct ratio. So in 1 raised to 2 raised to 4, if we distribute 1,89,000, it will come 27,000, 54,000, and 1,08,000. But what we have did, we distribute it in the equal ratio. So 1,89,000 is distributed in 1 raised to 1 raised to 1. So it is 63,000, 63,000, 63,000. Now try to understand. The correct figure always mark with plus sign. So here I put plus, plus, and plus. And the wrong sign, that is a wrong figure, always put with the minus sign. So minus, minus, and minus. So finally, what is the result? Milin should get 27,000, but he got 63,000. So plus minus is minus 36,000. Plus 54,000 minus 63,000 comes to minus 9,000. Plus 1,08,000 minus 63,000, so plus 45,000. So this is your calculation. Now, how to make the Jana entry in capital account? Try to understand. See, as you know, as we have studied in 11th, that capital is always having credit side. So if there is increasing capital, it is credited. If there is decreasing capital, it is debited. Now increasing means what? This plus sign. So plus sign means this Rasik's capital account is credited, and decreasing means minus sign. So this two account is debited. So what is your rectification entry? Let's see. It is Milan's capital account debit 36,000, Hemant's capital account debit 9,000, to Rasik's capital account 45,000. I hope it is clear. Let's see the another sum. Second sum. So three partners are there: Ram, Lakshman, and Sita. The capital was 40,000, 30,000, 80,000 respectively. After distributing profit, it was realized that 12% interest on capital is missed out. So this is which kind of error? It's an error of omission. Something is missed out. Interest on capital is missed out. Interest on capital for us is one kind of expense. So you have not returned this expense in your profit, and that's why the profit showing the higher amount. What profit we have distribute among the partner, it should be the higher amount. Now how to rectify it? Try to understand. So we have three partners: Ram, Lakshman, and Sita. Now first let's write the correct amount which we have done in the previous sum. So what is the correct amount? See, this 12% interest is missed out. So let's calculate that 12% interest. Capital you have given 40,000, 12% comes to 4,800. 30,000, 12% comes to 3,600. 80,000, 12% comes to 9,600. So this how it comes to total 18,000. This 18,000 we have already added in this partner's profit, right? So obviously it is given more. So you have to what? Subtract it. So this 18,000 is wrongly distributed in partner's capital. Is it clear? So this 18,000 should be deducted in the profit sharing ratio, and in this sum profit sharing ratio is not given, so obviously it is distributed equally. So 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. So as like previous sum, let's just compare it that this is the right amount. So for right amount we put the sign plus, plus and plus. For wrong amount we use the sign minus, minus and minus. So plus 4,800 minus 6,000 comes to minus 1,200. Plus 3,600 minus 6,000, so it is minus 2,400. Plus 9,600 minus 6,000 plus 3,600. So what is the rectification entry in partner's capital? Just now I told you, for plus sign it is always credited, for minus sign it is debited. So what will be the journal entry? Let's see. Ram's capital account debit 1,200, Lakshman's capital account debit 2,400, to Sita's capital account 3,600. I hope it is clear. Let's see one more sum. So in this sum, we have three partners, B, D, and C. The profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. At the end of the year, it was realized that interest on drawing is missed out, which were 1,000, 800 and 600 respectively. In the previous sum, interest on capital is missed out. Here, interest on drawing is missed out. These two things are not the same. Interest on capital is an expense for the business, and interest on drawing is income of the business. So this is the income which is missed out. So the question is whether whatever profit you have distributed to the partner showing higher amount or lesser amount. Yes, it shows less amount we have distributed because interest on drawing is an income and you have not recorded this income. So whatever profit you have distributed among the partner showing less profit, less amount it is showing. Now let's see the solution. So we have three partners, B, D and C, right? So first the right amount we can write interest on drawing. The amount you have given in the previous sum, interest on capital, you have to calculate. Here it is directly given. So it is 1,800 and 600. So it is wrongly included in profit, I would say. Actually, it is not included, right? So it is wrong amount. So this 2,400 is the wrong amount, right? So this 2,400 wrong amount should be deducted as per our previous sum in the ratio of 5 raised to 3 raised to 2. So minus 1,200 minus 720 minus 480, right? Now plus 1,000 minus 1,200 comes to minus 200, plus 800 minus 720 plus 80, plus 600 minus 480 plus 120, right? So now if there is a question of interest on capital, then in that sum, whatever your answer, if your answer is having plus sign, it is credited. If your answer is having negative minus sign, it is debited, but it is reverse in case of interest on drawing. Because interest on drawing, that is drawing, is having which side? Debit side. So for plus sign we use debit, and for minus sign we use credit. But the effect should be given in partner's capital account, right? So what is the journal entry? Let's see. D's capital account debit 80, A's capital account debit 120, to B's capital account 200. But is clear. So this is the third sum. And the last sum of this topic, which is very simple. So we have three partners: Yusuf, Harun, and Kodawala. The profit sharing ratio is given. It is 3 raised to 2 raised to 1. Yusuf and Harun give assurance to Kodawala to give minimum rupees 36,000 from the profit. It means what? That at the end of the year, what will be the profit? This Yusuf and Harun will give at least rupees 36,000 to whom? To Kodawala. If in case the amount they have distributed in their profit sharing ratio to Kodawala is less than 36,000, then who will give this amount? Those who have given the assurance. So Yusuf and Harun will give this amount in their respective ratio. I hope this paragraph is clear. Let's see. Further information. The total profit was 1,80,000. How profit will be distributed among the partners? Let's see. Very simple question. See, try to understand. So here we have three partners: Yusuf, Harun, and Kodawala, right? So as total profit is 1,80,000, if it is distributed among the partner in the profit sharing ratio 3 raised to 2 raised to 1, it will be 90,000, 60,000, and 30,000. So let's see that condition, that assurance. Kodawala should get this amount, this 36,000 amount. But here he got only 30,000. So what is the balance amount? 6,000. So first of all, we'll add this 6,000. So finally, Kodawala will get 36,000. Now, obviously, this 6,000 will be given by whom? Yusuf and Harun. But try to understand in their respective ratio, not in their profit sharing ratio. In the calculation, you might have understand